Okay, we're now series of Zapier videos number 2. We're doing the fancier HoneyBook integration, which is on the Zapier account, which is a paid account. But it will let you do different things, and the main thing is allowing you to trigger different types of events. So if you want to add your Zapier, first of all, start with the other video that we just recorded, which is the regular setup. And it's free. But if you want to go a little fancier, Rami is now going to show, on top of what we just did on the other video, how we can make if, like a filter, so that it creates different types of events. So Rami, our CTO, take it away.
Okay, hi guys, hi again. Let's start sharing. Okay, so if you've seen the last video, we already set up this HoneyBook and a Vibo event. Now we want to do a little more, something more sophisticated that we can create for each type of event, change the template for it. So we'll click on the plus, we'll do a filter. Okay, only continue if. So we want to click on this, save and continue. We only continue if project type takes exactly matches or contains whatever you feel like. But here we know it's a wedding. So test and continue. In this type, it wouldn't pass because why not? Project type is wedding. I didn't write it correctly. Well, what is this? Okay, let's do contains. I don't know why this didn't pass. Oh, this will pass. Okay, so we can do contains.
It has I don't know. Maybe it has what's that called? Space.
Oh, maybe.
Maybe.
Oh. So do text contains. That should be enough for you. And then continue. And then what we want to do is go and edit the event. Even though we do have already a wedding, we can do change the let's do wedding planner v2.
You can keep that one. That one's going to be the wedding, but then we can do another one that will do the other ones.
We'll show afterwards another one.
Yeah.
Skip test for now. Finish. The one we want to add at the end without a step, that will send an email or text message, whatever you feel like. Let's do it for now for an email, easiest. Look for Gmail. Okay, send email. Save and continue. You can either send only yours. Oh, sorry, not connected yet. Connect my account. Take a second. Save and continue. Okay, you can use your client, so you could take from the new project booked your first client email. You can CC yourself. I like to see if I can find myself. That doesn't matter. I just write, just so I would know it was sent to my client and it was triggered in the first place. From me. If you want to change the name, you can change anything you like. Subject, okay. So new event created. You can write it whatever you feel like, your DJ name, and we'll add the project name from here, or either from here or we can do from here. Doesn't matter. And the body type, you could use a plain or HTML, whatever fancy you like. For here, just for the example, we keep it simple. I like client first name, and then a space, and then client last name. Your event ready. Here are the links you need to get started with, and then we'll add planning form. You can grab this from Vibo Create Event. Let's scroll here a bit. Oh, because I've skipped this section, I can't see it. So let's go to here. Seconds test.
Rami, doesn't that have to do with the trigger that we have?
No, just, you see now I got everything. I got every now.
So it goes quick enough. It goes quick enough back to Vibo and creates it, and it can send it. That's so cool. I didn't even know that.
Yeah. So now we should be okay. Now we have everything. You see, that's the fields we have from returning from Vibo. So we either can use them in the previous fields or here. So now I'm planning form.
I didn't even see what you did to get that back.
I just did the test. When you click on the test on Vibo, so you get the fields populated. If not, you can't. So so just do that before, and then create event. We want a host link. Where is the host link? Host tip link, and then the guest link. Guest link. Guest link, and
whatever link you want.
Yeah, you can add whatever information you have, you want. There's everything is here. You get the first name, the DJ name, the date, how many days it will be locked before, contact email, walkthrough video, a manual link about explaining how to use the app. You can use whatever you want. Just afterwards, you can hit continue. I can send the test to my Gmail. Test it, and then hit finish, and then put the Zap on. I got the email, just the sample, and that's it.
So now the next step would be to clone this one and make one for any other type of event.
Exactly. So this is the one we did, right? Create wedding event on Vibo. Let's clone it for another event, another type of event. Just copy. Now we'll open new. Okay, just open it. Change the name to create corporate event. So remove the copy. And now we want to only continue if setup. So we want project type contains corporate.
The names of the name corporate is also in HoneyBook though, Rami?
It depends. If you have, let's see, it depends on the.
Make sure that the name is exactly the same between the corporate.
Yeah, and so if you go to now I'm on HoneyBook.
Corporate,
You
we
go
don't.
to copy settings. I just want to show it this in a second.
Yep.
Preferences. Where is this? Preferences. Yeah, project types. You hit edit, and you see which type of events you have. You can change them. I have corporate, so this should be fine. And that's it. You can edit, add, delete, whatever you feel like. So once I have this, text content continue. What I want to do is change on Vibo, edit the template, and change the type to
Party.
I can leave this because it will bring me anyway corporate. I can write corporate if I want, because this is the part of accepted types we have. And then from here, I want to change the template to, let's see if I have corporate.
Party, I think.
Party is enough, yeah. That should be enough.
I think our corporate is called Corporativo because our intern is from Argentina and we have to change it to English.
Yeah.
But yeah, you should probably though change the name wedding there to corporate because it's not going to work.
Where?
You didn't change the in Vibo in the action number 3. Forgot.
No, this is
one wedding.
Yeah, but here it's wedding. This is on an example project. But when I get a project of corporate, I will get here a corporate.
Oh.
I can leave it like that, or I can just delete this and write corporate. That's the same thing.
Oh, okay. Okay, I hear you.
It will only get to here because of the filter I did. Only get here if the project type is corporate.
I hear you.
For example, it's a wedding. But,
okay, perfect. That makes sense.
Yeah. That's it. Just trigger it on. Skip test. Maybe.
Maybe you want to change the email.
Yeah. Just see the email. What did we send? Your event is ready. Event created. It was. You can say corporate event was.
Yeah, but no, I think this is pretty self-explanatory.
Yeah, exactly.
I think if you get this, you'll be able to make changes, and you know how the concept work. You can play around with it.
Exactly. Just make sure it's on, and then now you have two zaps. Where's my zaps? 2 zaps. One is for a wedding, and one is for corporate. And the other types will be ignored.
Right. So you have to keep building it until you have all the types covered.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay. Great. Anything else for this tutorial?
Nope.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you, Rami.